There's calm in the air, but the sky has other plans. I began this painting by gently wetting the sky area, being careful that the water didn't reach the house part. That helps keep the colors from flowing where they shouldn't. Then I mixed ultramarine blue with just a touch of black and brushed it softly across the paper. Slowly, the sky started taking shape. I added medium-thick layers to create those dramatic clouds and deepened a few areas to bring that moody feel. The kind of sky that feels peaceful but heavy, like it's holding a secret. Once the sky was done, I moved to the ground. I dampened it again and laid a wash of gamboge yellow, warm and soft. Then I added distant trees along the horizon, keeping the paper wet so they blended naturally. Next came the muddy path leading out from the house. This part was a bit tricky, getting the right tone and perspective. I don't think it turned out perfect, but I like how it fits in the scene. Sometimes those little imperfections make the painting feel more real. Then I worked on the house, or maybe a small tower depending on how you see it. Round at the base with a small duplex-style cabin on top. It has that quiet countryside charm, like a place that's seen many sunsets and rains. When that was done, I dampened the grass area again and added hints of green. A few splatters here and there to give it life and texture. Finally, I touched up the clouds a bit more to balance the whole painting. I decided to call it Calm Before the Storm. It's that silent moment when everything seems peaceful, but the air feels heavy, as if nature is taking a deep breath before something begins. That's what I love about watercolor. You can't control everything,